Hi, this is yet another watch. Let's unbox and see what's inside. So yet another Pelican case. This is ADDIESDIVE. Actually, I like this Pelican cases. After you unbox it, it is very useful. You can store many things inside this. Let's see what it is. Inside a bracelet adjustment tool, I guess, and that's it. We have anything else? No. A user manual. A warranty card, I guess it's unsigned. Let's get to the watch. This is the ADDIESDIVE AD2066. You could say it's an homage, as well as many say it's an homage to the Longinus Conquest. Actually, it's kind of a mix of two. I think the case is kind of oyster perpetual. The dial is definitely from the Longinus Conquest. We'll quickly unwrap this and get back. Alright, the wrapping is off, and guys, just look at that dial. It's mint green, a sunburst dial. Actually, this watch runs on an quartz movement VH31, but it gives you the feeling that it's a mechanical movement. Look at that second and go. I think it's 4 ticks per second. It looks really nice. A fantastic dial. Look at that light play. And it's a dome crystal. This is not sapphire. This is K1 mineral glass. K1 is an ardent form of mineral glass, and it has plenty of air coating on. Let's see the crown action. Very smooth action. This doesn't come with a date function, so no post positions. Let's screw back and see. Actually, for this money, you get a screw down crown as well. Let me see how it looks on my wrist. So 36 mm. It looks to my 6.5 inch wrist. And the bracelet, the tolerance is really good. Comes with an oyster bracelet with a middle clasp. Alright guys, that's it. Watch out for the full review of this particular watch.